Hi YouTube, I'm Shiva. Today we're gonna unbox the LED push type fitting shiny light. These are fluorescent white light. Let's see the general characteristics written on the box. Comes with two tubes and each one of the tubes has a 9 watt, in total making 18 watt. This is an 18 watt fluorescent lamp. Here on the side we can see some general characteristics. We've got that material is made of steel and plastic. Chrome plastic shade, dimensions 638 millimeters. As per dimensions, the length is a 638, the width is 132 millimeters, and the height is 46 millimeters. The driver is included and it has a lifespan of about 15,000 hours approximately. We don't have anything else here. So without much ado, we're gonna go straight and unbox.
Cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, not likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain,
For this job, you're gonna need just 3 things. 1, you're gonna need an electric tape, or let's just say a black tape. 2, you're gonna need a screwdriver. In this case, we're talking about a star screwdriver. I've got a smaller screwdriver here. This is a flat screwdriver. You might or you might not need it. And then you're gonna need this cable stripper. If you don't have this, you can use a knife or maybe you just use a blade. So these are what you're gonna need for this job. To install, there are only 4 steps. 1, remove the end cap, fluorescent tube, and cover from the fixture. You have to use 2 wooden screws or 2 plastic anchors to attach the backplate to the ceiling. 3, wiring as per drawing. You're going to find this drawing in the manual. Lead the live, neutral, and earth wire from outlet to the matching position on the connector terminal. 4. Install the Fluorescent 2. Place the end cap and louver or cover to their original position. I hope you found something useful in this video, and if you have, don't forget to give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and activate the notification bell so that you get notified every time we upload new videos. Bye.